Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zano list video. In this video, I will show you how you can accept fUSD and Zano on your WordPress WooCommerce store. So as you can see, I have an example WordPress store here. It's completely blank. So what I'm going to need to do first is going over to plugins on the left side here. I'm going to click add plugin. And first, I'm going to need to download WooCommerce. I'm going to go ahead and search this in the directory here. Then I need to download this one here, WooCommerce. I'm going to click install, and then I'm going to click activate again here. Then I can go ahead and go through this setup guide. And for this video, I am going to skip this guide. Okay, as you can see, I now have WooCommerce installed. Now I can go ahead and add the payment processor. So I'm going to click add plugin again. And this time I'm going to type AnyCoin. I'm going to click search. And here it is here. So I'm going to click install. As you see, it's now installed. And then I can click activate. Then, as you can see here, you can now see AnyCoin added here. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And here you'll be able to see your AnyCoin transaction. So every single Zano and fUSD transaction will be recorded here. So to set up the plugin, go into settings, go into payments. And as you can see here, I have AnyCoin payment here, which is currently inactive. So I'm going to go ahead and enable it. Now I need to click manage. And here I can tweak the settings. So AnyCoin already comes with a Payment and IB verification API, which is completely free to use. But if you want to use your own, you can go ahead and do so. But otherwise, you can leave it by default. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my wallet address. And then I get into my private view key. And the private view key allows AnyCoin to view a transaction that has happened into your wallet. And I'll link another video in the description of how you can find your private view key. Then you can add a price buffer. So for example, if someone sends $100 and there's a difference of 1%, so $1, then it's going to approve the transaction. Require confirmations. How many times do you want the confirmation to go through? Then I can go ahead and click Save Changes. And once I'm done with testing, I can obviously uncheck this and click Save. And this will then enable the plugin. That's how simple it is and easy to install and set up AnyCoin plugin so you could accept fUSD and Zano on your website. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day.